Okay, we're going to look at a different kind of ratio question, and just try to bear with me. Sometimes people get confused with these, but it should be all right if you take it step by step. Using a ratio when you know one value. So some ratio questions are slightly different, and you may be asked to calculate a total instead of how much each person received. So it means that at the beginning of the question, they don't tell you how much sweets they're sharing out or how much money they're sharing out, but they will tell you enough information so that you can work that answer out. So for example, some money is shared between John and Lisa. Lisa and John, sorry, you must write the right order. In the ratio 3:4. So remember that the 3 belongs to Lisa and the 4 belongs to John, according to the order of the question. This is the rest of the question. Lisa receives £15. How much does John receive? And how much was there at the beginning? So look at the information that you have. You have the ratio, 3:4. You know how much Lisa got, so you know that one value. You don't know how much John got, and you want to work that out, and you want to work out how much there was at the beginning. So you begin, one way of doing it is beginning with the ratio 3:4. And remember, the Lisa is the 3, John is the 4. It's a good idea to write their names above the ratio numbers this time. We know that Lisa got £15, so put £15 directly under the 3. And we want to work this answer out. How much did John get? So what you do is you work out how many times did you multiply 3 by to get 15. 3 times something is 15. And this time it's 3 times 5. So we're going to do the same with John. We're going to multiply his ratio number by 5. So 4 times 5, John gets £20. So that's the first part of the answer. John gets £20. The last part of the answer, if we had to work out the total amount at the beginning, well, at the beginning was the £15 that Lisa got and the £20 that John got. So altogether there was £35. So let's try another example. Imagine Liam and Kate are sharing a bag of sweets. So we don't know how many sweets are in the bag. And they're doing that in the ratio 4:5. Okay? Turns out that Liam gets 24 sweets. So we're going to work out how many sweets does Kate get. So you write down the ratio 4:5. So remember, Liam is first. So Liam is the 4, Kate is the 5. What do we know? We know that Liam gets 24 sweets. So we put 24 here directly under the 4 for Liam. And we want to work out how many sweets does Kate get. So we go back to this 4 and 24. How many times is 4 to get 24? 4 times 6. 4 times 6. So we did the same over here. 5 times 6. Kate must get 30 sweets. So Kate gets 30 sweets. Liam gets 24 sweets. The total at the beginning was 24 30, which is 54 sweets. So we'll write down that summary of what you do. So your method, first of all, write down the ratio, and that's the numbers. Write the names above. Work out what we multiply by. Then you multiply the other number. And it seems a little bit strange because of what you've been doing already, but if you keep trying to do that, the more you practice, the more you will understand these questions. Okay?